you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So, I believe it was yesterday I received both my Boxycharm base box and my Boxycharm premium. So I thought it would be fun to do a video of them together, kind of comparing the two. So the Boxycharm base box is $25 a month, and then the Boxycharm premium is $35. And I believe we're supposed to get at least $125 worth of product in the base box and at least $175 in the premium box. So I'm thinking we'll probably start with the base box today. I will link Boxycharm down below along with any active giveaways on our channel if you're interested in subscribing. If you do use my referral link, I do get some charms, which is like points you can spend on Boxycharm's website. So thank you if you do use my link, but no pressure to do so. Before we get unboxing, I thought I'd just address like the stuff, like the drama going on with Boxycharm right now. I honestly keep myself out of all of that kind of stuff. Like, I don't even watch the news. I don't watch drama channels. I try just to avoid anything that makes me feel bad. I've had some people ask me my opinion, and honestly, I love Boxycharm. I feel like everything I get is always, you know, pretty great, and it's always such a fun experience to unbox Boxycharm. It is probably my favorite beauty subscription, honestly. I don't really care if things are made in China. We're getting like such good value for little money, so I think it's pretty great. If you guys are looking for videos that like go over it, like what's going on with Boxycharm, I follow Jen Loves Reviews, and she did a live stream like going over some of the stuff going on. If you wanted to watch that, that is one I watched, and I think she did a good job, and I trust her opinion. But yeah, I just wanted to bring that up because I know people are talking about it. I honestly don't know a lot about it. I'm not into all of that or digging into things. I just am doing my own thing. I don't know. But anyways, let's get started and open up the February base box for Boxycharm. I'm still a little under the weather. I just looked in the monitor and it looks like I'm like extra pale today. So it doesn't even look like there's any protector stuff in here, or you know what I'm talking about, like packaging. I don't see a card either. I follow like the Reddit beauty boxes thing, like and beauty box forum, whatever you call it. And I heard that it was kind of common that some people did not get a card. So I do not know the variation of the box I got or what any of the pricing is. So I think that happened to a lot of people, but I'm actually really excited because we were able to customize an item, and I did get that in my box. So let's start with that item. So we got our first foundation for Boxycharm. Hopefully this color's okay. Like on the outside it looks kind of dark. Again, like I'm looking a little pale today. I don't know, I use a different foundation too, but this is the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation, and I got it in the shade Cashmere. For customization, you did get to choose your shade, so hopefully it's okay. So wow, this seems like a lot of product. How much comes in here? Oh, it's standard, 1 fluid ounce. So I am so excited that we're starting to get complexion products in Boxycharm. Just put a little bit on my hand. Oh, I'm just doing a little bit here, but it might be like a little on the yellow side for me, but I think overall that could be a good shade match. I'm gonna leave it here and see if it oxidizes. It seems like it already is oxidizing. I don't know if you guys can tell. But either way, I'm super excited to try this out. I've never tried any Becca complexion products before. 24-hour foundation, that would be cool if it was long lasting, but I don't know if I'll ever actually use it for 24 hours. But yeah, it looks like their first ingredient is a silicone, so we will see how this works out. But I'm super excited to have the chance to try a foundation product. I think that's awesome. The next item is by Evio Skin and Aurora, Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. And I think these are supposed to be like biodegradable wipes, so I'm getting like foundation all over it. Oh well, they're makeup wipes anyway. So it has cannabis sativa seed oil. It's balancing, multifunctional. You get 15 wipes in here. And yeah, so I'm excited to try these out. And I love that they're biodegradable, so that means, you know, they're less harmful for the earth, because makeup wipes in general I've been trying to use less of because it is just like, you know, an extra thing you throw in the trash. I'm trying to be less wasteful, so I like that those degrade. Next up, something I've tried in the past, so I'm excited to have again. This is by First Aid Beauty. It's the Facial Radiance Pads. It says help exfoliate, tone, and brighten your skin. So this is just like you use in place of your toner. It's like pre-soaked little pads, like little cotton pads. And yeah, I've had these a while ago. It's been, yeah, at least, I was in Chicago when I used these last and I did like them. So I'm excited to try these out again. They're alcohol free, which is good, so less drying on the skin. I just realized it's gonna be hard to like compare the boxes without like comparing the price, so I guess we'll just leave value out of it. But anyways, next up is something by Ciate London. This is Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. I actually use their translucent powder under my eyes today. I pretty much always use it under my eyes. I don't use it on my whole face. So at first I thought this might be the same thing, but this is something different. So it says apply generously to areas with concealer to bake and set makeup. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes and sweep off the excess for a crease-free, soft, focused finish. Lightly dust oil-prone areas using a large fluffy brush for a soft matte finish. So yeah, this looks just like my other one, but it's their Everyday Vacay. Oh, it's their coconut setting powder. Let's see if it smells. Well, there's like a little seal. Let's see if I can get this off. All of my nails are breaking. Does anyone else have like a lot of trouble getting stickers off products like this? Or is it just me? Oh, I got it. And powder is flying out. It does have a light coconut scent, which I don't mind. So yeah, I'll definitely try this. I'm happy to get it. And the last item in the box, we have a set of sponges by Luxie. So I love Luxie brushes. I actually discovered Luxie brushes through Boxycharm. So this is their complete sponge set. So bake, contour, and detail. I don't usually bake. Maybe I'll try it out. So yeah, it's a detail blender, precision blender, and powder blender. Create your own beauty. So yeah, we have 3 sponges there. I use a sponge every day to do my foundation, so I am excited. So overall, I think this was a great box, and I feel like it came with things that we could actually like use together. Like, so we have like skincare we could use first, and then we can put on our foundation with our sponges, and then you can use powder with a sponge too. Use a makeup wipe to take it all off. So I like that it's all coordinated in that way. I am super stoked about the foundation product. I think that's great they're starting to incorporate that. And yeah, it did definitely oxidize. Maybe it won't be perfect for me, but I will definitely try and make it work. I'll probably use it tomorrow. Let's move on to Boxycharm Premium. So the $35 box or the premium box is bigger. Hopefully we have a card in this one to learn more about the products. Yep, there's a card right on top actually. So when I open it up, this is what it looks like. This is normally what the other box looks like too. Like it has the foam and the card. Oh wow, there's a lot of stuff it looks like in here. This is a little sneak peek. So let's see, is there a theme? So the theme is Boxycharm Adore. And on the inside it does give like a little description and the pricing, and it looks like, what variation do I have? Oh, I have variation 23. You can see it in the corner there. So again, I don't know what variation I got for my other one. So the first item I see, this is something that I know has been like controversial. This is the 24 karat gold foil moisturizer by Fascia. If I'm saying that right, it means face in Italian. So people are saying this is like just like $1, and they put the retail value as $100. Let's see if that's true. So you get 50 gram of product, and yeah, it says the MSRP or the retail value is $100. So the 24 karat gold foil moisturizing cream helps dry areas disappear without leaving behind a greasy residue. Its unique formula helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while firming, tightening, and locking moisture into the skin. So I don't know all the details on this. Like I said, I don't really follow drama too closely, but I know some people are saying this like was bought off Alibaba or whatever that website is, and the price is way inflated, but I don't know if that means the product was actually bad. If any of you guys have tried this yet, let me know your thoughts on it, or did you guys toss it? Like, what's the deal? Next, looks like we have a huge body cream. This is by Kors. It's the Mediterranean Vanilla Blossom Fleur Vanilla Body Butter. It's 96.4% natural. Wow, you get 7.95 fluid ounces in here, or 235 milliliters. So yeah, it's like the size of my head. I haven't done like a head test in a while, so I don't mind getting body butters and stuff like that. I have a bunch, but but I do moisturize every day. So this is $32, and it says this rich and luxurious body butter deeply softens, smooths, and nourishes the skin. Our shea butter moisturizer is a perfect lotion for dry skin, helping to improve elasticity and smoothness. Let's see what it smells like, if I can smell it through like my stuffiness. I was able to smell that powder, so yep, it smells like vanilla. It smells good. I like vanilla scents, especially this time of year. Next up, I believe I chose this item. I chose a flat iron by Sutra Beauty. We've gotten some items from them before, like I know I have a hair oil by them and I got something else, but I realized I only have like a little baby flat iron that we got in Boxy Luxe in the past. It's super cute, but I was like, you know what, I'll choose this. So I don't really do my hair often, but like today I could have used a straightener because I had like kinks in it and stuff. So this is what it looks like. I like the color of it. Yeah. I'm not sure how often I will use this, but I'm excited to get it. And it says this is the Sutra Beauty Ceramic Flat Iron. It is $79.99. Wow. It says the magnetized ceramic plates deliver consistent heat along the entire length of the plates for silky smooth hair and the finest results. The ceramic flat iron generates negative ions to combat the dryness and frizz created by the positive ions in the air and hair. Cool. Ooh, I'm super excited about this. So this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. I've tried some of their other items before and I do like it, but I've heard great things about this facial mist. And let's get this open and look at it. I heard it's really cute too. And this is $28. Yeah, this is what it looks like. I have like the watermelon moisturizer and the watermelon like sleeping mask. So now I have the watermelon glow mist. Nice. So what you get 75 milliliters in here, or 2.53 fluid ounces, and it says immerse skin in a hydrating mist so ultra fine and delicate it envelopes your skin like a dreamy morning fog. This formula is packed with a juicy blend of 84% watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and hibiscus AHAs to refresh and enhance makeup. I literally did my makeup like right before this, but I am going to try it right now. So to use as a hydrating glow mist from 8 to 10 inches away, firmly press the nozzle and mist 2 or 3 times across the face. Hold closer for maximum dewy effect and use throughout the day. And as a makeup prep or perfecting mist, you pretty much do the same thing. Oh, I feel like when you do it that far away, the mist is so fine. Oh, it smells so good. It's such a fine mist, but I kind of like that. Like some mist, like, you know, they're like harsh. Like this is definitely fine. It smells good. And I can smell it. It smells like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. That's what it reminds me of. So I'm super excited to have this. I go through setting sprays like so crazy. I think I spray a little too much. They say like use 2 to 3 sprays. I'm like 2 to 3 on each area of my face. I gotta cool it, but I like it. Oh yay! My very first Hourglass product. Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush and Diffused Heat. Oh my gosh, I was talking about this, I think in a tag video I did, like what brand I would like to try. I'm like, well, I've never tried Hourglass. It's such a bougie, nice brand. So here is the outer packaging. Oh, sorry, my ring light. And this is what it looks like. There's a teeny mirror. And let's do a little swatch. Oh, it feels nice. I'm so excited. I don't even think you could really see, I could see it, but I don't know if you could see it on camera, like right here. But I'm super excited to use this. Yay! So this is $40. So it says discover a new way to blush. This groundbreaking hybrid combines the customized lighting effects of ambient lighting powder with a spectrum of breathtaking modern hues. The result is seamless, soft focus, and multi-dimensional color. Guys, these boxes are so good this month. We have one more item, and this is by Tarte. This is the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. I have a sample of this. I've used this before, but I don't have the full size, so I'm happy to get it. You guys, this is a great month. So this is what it looks like. So I think this is a great time to get this in the box, 2 hydrating primers, because I know a lot of people have dry skin around this time of the year. So this is $30, and it's the Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. It says prep yourself before you perfect yourself. Turn off the base with this vegan coconut priming serum that hydrates your skin for 12 hours. This rich yet lightweight makeup magnet is infused with a blend of coconut and botanicals to help nourish and smooth skin's appearance. Awesome. You guys, even if I take away this, like this box had such good value to me, I'm so excited. So both the boxes I think were so great. But for talking about the premium, the items I'm the most excited about, even though I'm like excited about all of them, is the watermelon mist and the hourglass blush. You guys, I wanted to try hourglass for so long, but I would never be able to like, you know, like splurge and like get that for myself outside of a box. So I think that's awesome they included it in this box. I'm so excited. I'm so glad I opened this box. I've said this in recent videos, but sometimes when I'm like in a funky mood and then I open a good box, it just totally changes my mindset, and I think that's what Boxycharm did for me today. I enjoyed both of the boxes. I don't have a card for the first one like we've gone over, but I'm going to add up the cost for, or the total value for the premium box. So it's $309.99 because that $100 cream or whatever. But even if you take away $100, it's like $210 value, which is more than $175. I mean, with that, it's like, that's crazy. So even if you don't use that product, I think it is so worth it. You guys, I liked both of my boxes. I feel like the premium, we got so much for only $10 more, so I think the premium might be the winner this month, but I honestly loved my base box too. Like, okay, overall my favorite thing I got probably was a foundation because I'm so excited about that, and that was in the base box. So yeah, I think Boxycharm killed this month. Like, seriously, I love Boxycharm. So I know they have all their drama going on, but I am keeping my subscriptions. I love them. I can't wait for next month in March. The Boxy Premium is going to be all Fenty products, and Fenty is another brand I've never tried, so I'm super pumped about that. So we're also getting a Boxy Luxe in March. So Boxy Luxe is seasonal, it's every 3 months, and you get that in place of your base box. So stay tuned for next month. I am so excited to see what Boxycharm continues to do, and I'm going to continue to support them because I honestly love this box. So please let me know your thoughts down below. I mean, it's a bummer we didn't get a card in our base box, but I'm okay with that. You know, it would have been just nice for comparing like the values and all of that, but yeah. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. Let me know your thoughts down below on Boxycharm in general and on the boxes. Let me know what you got. But yeah, I'm happy, and I hope you guys are as well. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.